Today we're finally gonna fix my family's car handle, because this has been missing for like days.
Years.
Because the handle broke off from one of us jabbing on it hard. So when we start off, since Toyota made this easy, this here, I got it, is this. I took this out from this hole here, and that should have like a screw in there. A screw, and then you're gonna need a driver like this, and you're gonna have to pull it off, and then that'll release the handle that goes here, that finishes off this, and how you can take it out in case like you're fixing your car's handle, like if it's lodged in like this, you can just pull it and grab it out in case it snaps because it's plastic. So what you want to do is you want to get something like a lace or string. There's going to be a black lever inside here. You're going to hook that in. You're going to pull it towards. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. What you're going to do is you're going to put this in. Go in there. And then when prepared, you pull this out.
Okay. And then what's next? Okay. Wait, show it again.
Yeah, huh? Did we do the whole thing?
Yeah.
The whole video?
We're going to have to cut it.
Cut it?
And then you're going to have to
redo it?
Talk over it.
Daddy, that means we're going to have to buy another door handle if we're going to cut it. Because once it's in, you can't take it out anymore. That's what he said. Once it's in, you can't take it out anymore. So we can't redo the video.
No.
There you go.
It's tight?
Yeah,
it's not tight yet. See? It's still wobbly. You have to make it tight.
Push it in while I'm tightening it, okay? It is tight, Daddy. Wait, no, it's not. Keep holding on. Keep holding on. Okay, test.
Is it tight?
Test.
Yep, it's tight.
Good thing that Toyota made it easier. Instead of those other cars where you have to take the whole thing off.
Yep, and then you're going to put that... Oh, you put the plastic on it already? The plastic cover? There it is.
We finally don't have to go to one way.
And we are done.
We finally decided to fix it.
There we go.